Kajin M English, toda pwede ito lokal par kwala kambubunalo in YouTube ak alagum po pa more kin jarbal and rikaki in school and barāinwōt rikadak in school. What's up? Ayor juan kajele ikanan kwala nan kom kina jarbal jumbo nan Barcelona kin juan conference kin Kajin go done minoritized languages in what ilo America ala parami tres kunono ilo Kajin pele ak elang arami tres kunono ilo ayer Kajin in what Kajin majo ak Kajin Philippine ak Kajin Spain ak jabruat in ilo conference in arami tres kunono kin Wawin ko demarong kakasorlo Kajin ko. Ilo conference yar lomanak ken wawin morong sherry tibang grote in ayer kada Kajin majo. Yar lolok set website ko boy isbedori ilo Washington DC boy morong tibang family wow. Oh yeah, doing good news. Sister Yao. Parjuan, emotion Parjuan nation. Anyway, so yar book it to one website and what www.itaki.com emorong tutor kadakin Kajin majo ilo awinin islomanak emorong book tian boyen kalai wonen Aejemjem. So, pretty exciting news. I'm really excited about it. Ow! Hopefully, people will be interested. And then, also, in Jumbo Lokman, Arkansas, ilo August, kunono Jerbal ippan rimajoro, boy ramarong kada Kajin majo, EJ, barāinwōt, ow! Ippan Rikaki and reschool ro ilo Arkansas kin Kajin majo barāinwōt ippan rikada gro maybe Parsons Hill Elementary School or something mogala yisro kin yerin dok on school. So very exciting. Sorry it's been so long, but lots of good stuff's been going on. The conference in Barcelona was really exciting and really inspirational, talking to so many people who are all working to promote language use in minority languages and to revitalize lesser spoken languages also. And really excited about the possibility of at least being able to reach more people who are interested in learning Marshallese. And I'm still ever optimistic that we'll get some good language classes going in Arkansas. So this summer should be exciting too. I'll be able to visit some old friends, but also be able to work with ACOM, people interested in teaching their own language, and also with teachers of Springdale Public Schools. And I'll be there for the first week of school too, so maybe with some students and parents. Also, oh yeah, I finished the third collection of short stories and poems for Aejemjem, and while I'm in Arkansas, I'll be getting things ready for the fourth one. So if you have any interesting stories, poems, songs that can be written down as poems, I would love them for the next collection, okay?